Hello everyone, welcome to this unboxing video. Today we are unboxing a very special excavator, 114 Hitachi 135 Platinum Edition excavator, equipped with first kind remote control. Open the package and see what's in it. Foam cotton protects the remote control very well. Using the Hitachi XC22 channel remote control, the remote control is very cool, equipped with 3D joystick, remote control charging hole, data transmission etc. Data transfer charging interface USB Type-C. Remote control manual X1. Comes with a remote control lanyard X1. Let's check out today's hero. Excavator body display. The workmanship is very exquisite. Mechanical arm oil circuit exquisite and neat. With a 360 rotating wrist system. Simulated metal crawler. Set comes with standard bucket X1. Set comes with leveling bucket X1. Package comes with loose soil hook X1. Excavator hole machine sticker X1. Package comes with crawler hanging glue. It needs to be installed by itself, rear view mirror and other small accessories. Comes with spare screws. Equipped with fixed crawler hanging glue column. Spare gadgets. Railings for installing rear view mirrors. Take out the Hitachi 135 Platinum excavator. The whole machine has been upgraded with 8 reversing valves. Cockpit door can be opened. Doors and windows made of real glass. CNC precision machine shells. The battery compartment can be opened. Equipped with dual oil pump system. With hydraulic front shovel. Each excavator has its own identification number. Crawler hanging glue installation. If you want to find out more details about him, please contact me. Newly upgraded accessory forks need to order separately, not included in the set. Newly upgraded accessory vibrating rammer need to order separately, not included in the set. That's it for today's video. See you in the next episode.